That's something. I know that when put a surprise for see me live now, so I just be so pissed off with all this social media drama there. I really be pissed off. I really be pissed off. Now I can go draw my message for you too for this stupid Cameroonian man picking way. He don't decide say one day for YouTube they bring down women there. A man picking go day for YouTube. When a good evening. A man picking go day for YouTube. Man picking, men, man picking. You day for YouTube, Cameroonian. Your own work now for the bring down women there. We there for the moment of the struggle for fights against this cyberbullying thing where they bring down women there for social media. Then man picking go can't join. Man go wake up join for the bring down women then. When I'll be so excited, very excited. Say they put woman in nude picture for outside. And then the only two way they fit do now man picking. Man go come on, go for a social media platform for YouTube. Go to talk how they put woman in nude picture for outside. Then instead for talk about the woman in nude picture they put outside, talk about the woman where they put in nude picture for outside. You go wake up, carry different person in the picture, put them in the place of the person where they talk about them. I need to do live video for the kind of hour. I just be pissed off because the best way they put in nude picture for outside, number one, will be my friend. But I know if it support, I know if she don't support me that they bring women that nude picture for outside. I know if it support me that they bring women that nude picture for outside, and then some people they happy about them. I don't know why Cameroonians they go be happy. Say they put a woman in nude picture for outside, and then they be happy. They be happy about them. I remember 3 years ago, this nude picture they put her for outside, no be nude picture for today. That picture don't be outside for 3 years now. Now 3 years now, this picture don't be outside. And the time when the picture become outside, another girl, the own nude picture become outside. I remember during those periods, I be do live video for talk about them. And then now they don't take the nude picture and I come back for outside. Then they claim. And then when they claim, say, now one of my friends them, or they claim say now one of the people the way they fight against cyberbullying for inter community, I laugh. But the thing it puzzle me more. Now when I see a man, this useless boy, when a man on a papa with it for Ireland, they say in Ireland. This useless papa with it for Ireland. How did they call that a name? When I don't just put a name now so for Facebook. I don't expect you as a man. For long now, they don't tell me, they don't talk to you, you struggle for bring women then down. You don't create a channel, you say you be blogger. But the only thing you do for that channel is for bring women then down. You know they talk nothing positive. You will take small pikin le mami atalakum. Mami atalakum feel bonny. You this useless man. You feel born mami atalakum. You will take small pikin le mami atalakum, put up your page, struggle for bringing it down. Talk about a size. Talk about this. You say you do fashion, don't come up for fashion, you can't talk rubbish. So you open your stupid mouth. You do for social media, you open your stupid mouth for your page, you talk about you see red toto. The red toto will walk past the one they don't take their black head, their baby head, put that inside the for woman their hip skin. How man picking go come? I got in here, my Cameroonians now kill me. Man picking, you go come on go for YouTube. For YouTube, you take the only news. A penny go either for YouTube. They name now. How did they call that a stupid name for YouTube? Oh God, man, check out for my page. I don't put another song on my page. Big one a big boutiques, on a big boutique, on a big boutique, on a big boutique, and a boutique one right. I don't know, na boutique one right. Now the stupid name that guy na the most useless Cameroonian guy. I don't see him. That guy don't always support the Tibet. No man is denying no man no support who he want support him. That guy don't always support the Tibet. But I shock. Say for the past how many weeks they don't send me things about that because they want my take no. No say when it concern people they be people they bring down women then they will always send up for me for YouTube. They always tell me say take note of this person, take note of this person, take note of this person. They don't send me that guy. That guy be so negative. That guy go want talk. He go talk about Kobos. He want talk. Go talk about Mama Atelo. Small Mama Atelaku. The struggle for bring down the Pekin. Now his shape, now his size. She's happy about it. You the guy who's getting you follow. You what? I say when I first see the boy, white baby don't come on his face. I don't say we'll get for visit that boy. We'll get for visit that boy. That boy is the most useless blogger I don't ever see him. I don't do a message so I can put them for you for YouTube. Only for you. Put a picture, they put them for you, a message for you. If you want block me, it block. But if you don't decide say one can join for the bring women and down, we'll not go accept them. If you want blocking block, either for Ireland, if you find me go find work like any man picking the find work. Me no can should on for social media. They want to bring women then down. Man picking the only news you go for the TBA platform, go take news now about how you see woman in red toto, can't be a platform. Then on top of that, when I don't know the two even funny me for the whole thing, now my picture that boy put up that thing. Now my picture, me, a married woman, if person watch that video, the person will feel saying me where they put my naked picture out there. Where I bet everybody with my naked picture nothing ever exceed as I don't marry for 20 good years. I don't send my even if my husband travel, even if we need to stay for inside the same house, I need to ever send him my naked picture. Never. You need to ever ask for. Never. You need to ever. So how you go start say you go take something for the TBT platform, you want can put them for your YouTube channel. Then on top of that, you carry my picture, put them for them. You think my picture? It's really horrible. And when some people don't go watch that video now, they go to start to feel so at me. My naked picture, they're out there. Very stupid boy. Very useless man picking. He glad. So then the glad say, oh, they don't be no say, the TB get plan. And so the TB take their plan one time. He want just see, now get to talk come off. As but man picking, yet to the cover man picking more. Attach na my face for day. Penny attach na my face. It take na me put am for day. If you watch that video, if you watch the video, you could feel say na my naked picture they put up outside. How useless was some man picking for day? How useless. We don't struggle all this while. Say, we try, we bring, we stop all this. So the boy they talk about it. Hey, I don't follow this thing since. Hey, I be fixing better man. They can't make peace. Better me say don't come. They do not the same thing. You this boy with the most stupid human being. I never ever. You see where it concern man picking for woman that need coach them. For woman that need coach, where it concern man picking, I go insult you. Should they insult? I go bring your mommy. You picking them all man faster because you need to respect woman. You need to respect woman. A man who respect woman will not go come up for social media, stand for public, for social media, for public platform, and open the useless mouth for talk how they open Toto, but you don't see Toto. Man picking, responsible man picking. Don't go ever do that kind of thing. Responsible man picking will even be ashamed for go for social media talk. Even if you be there for platform where they show woman their nakedness, you go run height. Even if you there for platform where they show woman their nakedness, you as a man, you go run hide your face. Hide your face. Because woman in nakedness na curse. Woman in nakedness na curse. Because I don't be used for the watch all this porno movie them. It don't make us some of them need to respect the nakedness of a woman. Yes, Penny, I know the girl. I know the girl when I get her naked pictures. I know he. I know the girl. I know the girl we get it. Stay for lit. I know the person we get a naked picture there. I know the person we get a naked picture. That picture don't be accepted for more than 3 years. No be new pictures then. So me the TB no take can make and say new pictures. No be new pictures. Those naked pictures has been out there for more than 3 years. 3 years. I know the girl will get the naked picture. The TB call the girl name for a platform. He called the girl name for a platform. So how this stupid boy, how this useless boy, they don't call person that a naked picture of a platform. You want to go talk about that thing because any man want use Bridget Benjamin in name for sell. Everybody want to use Bridget Benjamin name for sell. Everybody want to use Bridget Benjamin name for call crowds. You want to go talk about the picture you carry in my face put on for you. You want to talk about the picture, you think that my face put on for day? You want to talk about the picture, you think that my face put on for day? And when person, people, they can't watch that video, they would feel say, oh, na picture Benjamin, they talk about them. You don't see me if I be very responsible woman. I don't go around, I don't sleep around. The man I'm married, even if he travel, even if my husband no day to day travel, it go be 1 year. Even time I did London, my husband is stay for Belgium, I did for UK. I never ever, no one day, move my naked picture, so send up for you never ever ask her. You never ever. So my nude picture never ever day for outside. Never. Never in the history of mankind, never ever. And then the worst part, I said a man picking. And Cambodians when I clap. They carry another woman in nude picture, can't show him, put them for the whole way, me still when I clap. And then a woman bring her for outside, put them. Yes, the nude picture they don't be outside, but they don't delete them for most posts there because if you pass now through people that WhatsApp them and things. They be sending for me those nude pictures, they may pick it up. And they be sending me those nude pictures that be vexed with the person who send for me. I say, no ever try that kind of thing again. No send me those type of things. No ever send me person in nude pictures. I don't get a conversation with that particular girl because of that nude pictures. She doesn't bother. She doesn't care. If he talk with me, say that even the nude picture they give husband and the nude picture they give man. Because now after that nude picture they come away get a man, the man will like it today. Even me and breed, even me and that bill no they find or anything, even me I need even talk or anything. I don't ever support me they put in nude picture for outside. I don't ever support me they put in nude picture for outside. This boy don't go too far. The boy don't do for social media. They coach Mami Atalaku, they coach Kobos, they take the one compare the one. He said they do fashion show. He wore all shit. He know for wear clothes. He said now he want to start do fashion. Paul Bia do it with Cameroon and me. Paul Bia what you do for Cameroon? Or they over me boy Cameroon and Jika for Cameroon don't come for Europe to the craze. Man picky you go come Sudan for social media. Sudan for social media. So the only two video that will talk about woman that to do. Man picking. That boy don't join le plus jeune de pigme. On a so yon kabatou women de kabagi avec. On a so women de kaba make mesh, make a grave. Give me biki well and before one come for that a platform. Me biki well and wear kaba wear grave. Can't you don't tie it tell her time and also can't you don't start to talk that rubbish. And the life that will decide so one live for Europe. When I bring me that boy a file. Since I say no respect woman, the more put him for outside put woman for outside or girlfriend for outside. I say no respect woman then. You know if you respect woman then. So that it boldly they talk. I don't send people they me they could subscribe for the TBA platform. Now them be that man picking the way they fear me the TBA not come up for social media because the TBA the cost woman that they glad. Now be that man picking them. Now them. Now they be that man picking they fear me the TBA not come up for social media. But when I know something, all them go come out. If they know all them go come out for social media, any negative person waiting for this social media will come out. No matter how long we go take we. Join plus you and that useless boy. You didn't have country me, I don't know. You didn't have Ireland. Put my picture, keep my picture for their platform. Stupid boy, talk about nude picture for woman there. You talk about nude picture for woman there. I'm telling you, Penny will go drag any TikTok for that street will go drag and put her for aside. What will be all this for the hour for now? Now maybe I will go to do live video. Come on, and what's how we go? What will fail? What will happen with we? What will be all this? Every day you want sleep, one negative. As a negative person, you want give up for being negative. Another devil will bring another one. As one man now Dupes Clara now the one run out of negativity. Now the boy to the worker for that side, man picking the two the past me and man picking. Nigerian men they do it at the block. I need to say man picking a block. Go for YouTube, you will see a lot of Nigerian men do it at the block. They get the way they block. But you as a man, I guess on Nigerian man because we be for we be blogger, we be the cost people, they don't bring down it, they don't even ban it from YouTube. They don't ban me. I will bring that boy if this thing up Sunday for my platform. They don't ban me. Then you Cameroonian man picking. You dey Ireland. At least Ireland a fine country. No be suffer country. You don't go find work. You catch them for YouTube with the glass, they clap their hands, say, ha! The thing better don't show behind them. The thing better, so they talk, the thing better don't show behind them. Behind them, the thing better can talk, say, you know, they don't know, say, the thing better get people that underground, people that underground, they don't come on, they don't just bring nude picture. They two picture that boy they talk. They don't bring a nude picture. They want the nude picture, one thing that Benjamin face. So tumbu they their head. So tumbu, some thing losing for their head. What did happen? You take my picture, me, an influencer, a responsible woman. You carry my picture, put them for thing when you talk about nude pictures. Your head normal for inside. So to put them for your head. You don't need downgrade all the girl and downgrade woman and bring them for down, put them for dust level. You don't go try that thing with me. I go drag you, I go drag you to the highest level. You want to drag with me? I go drag you. As you be man, because you need to respect woman then. I'm telling you wisdom. Now really bad say man people can't talk about woman that empty last on social media. Man people can't talk about woman that nude picture for social media. Today they talk so you don't follow. If you don't follow this thing as you claim, so you don't follow this struggle. You don't even do that video where you do am. Because the video where you do, you talk everything about it is lies. No truth, no day for day. What you talk for day? Man picking, man. You will come for social media. That when Natalie Koi nude picture become on. So no sense way that thing to today. Now you don't make Etofis no they get that popularity we get them before. When Etofis before that in those days Etofis get popularity to stay fit and run for president say win. But now so how many people woman in nude picture na a dangerous thing. The you man. When a man begin on a for a platform, they show woman in nude picture, and no go run. No go to say bad. You go say take them again, go for your own platform. They happy, they talk them. See to say, yeah, you want to open your eyes, and so to red king, man picking. Hey, God in heaven, God go help me. Man picking. We are 10 leg, get 3 leg. Then now woman born, woman carry inside belly, push you for. I said, boom, you come out. If you see that kind of man, you know how disrespect to that man, that boy, if they even forget it, the slipper. If you know how disrespectful you do with that bad face. Why baby don't come on? Frustration for white man country. Now you come on, go shoot down for your platform, you talk how we do, you want to look, they want to see camera come pan, and so Toto come up pan, and so they red. You see your life. As you don't talk, say one join woman that war for the fight. No worry. No worry. No run. No. We'll deal with you. You want join woman that war for fight now, so you useless for that Ivy land. No worry. What kind of life this? What's how come out? What's how Cameroonians? What's how come out with this kind of I don't know something time. We struggle every day. Na be the day we don't struggle. Sute struggle. We don't struggle, we struggle, community don't even struggle now for clean people, they don't start to get their peace. This American crazy woman them and this useless boy for YouTube. They not go give people them peace. Me they clean community. Me always start do things normally as we do am. Me almost stop the talk there for the cost people. We're not gonna leave the thing. Now that stupid, now that other one they call for this is Dopes Clara. Police they go find it today, no. Police they go find it today. No, anyone can coach people for social media, no. He can coach. When I there for country, you do for this Dopes. You do for house when they stay when how they call her when how many. You do for house when I stay like when 4, when 5, when 6. You come for social media, I can't coach people. For this, they can't find you today. They need and they beg, they cry. No, you don't need and beg, they cry. Continue. Come for social media, coach. Now, when the useless one to for Ivy Land, don't show nobody the coach people for social media. Come you the grace on to move your head. Now, me and you now so for social media. Man picking. Woman, they will coach themselves. Man picking to go enter for the coach woman then. We talk do one fat, do one shit, do one no support we do tomorrowization, do one. Now, so they talk fashion. Now, fashion that. Fashion, I go for red carpet, they go be compare people that close them. I know and all for Cameroon and go even white man they go enter Nigeria started. You can compare their clothes with red fashion. If you want to do fashion blogging, look at enter fashion blogging, you want to talk about woman, they last them. What's kind of man picking that? How useless would that man picking that boy fide? Now what's would go all the kind of life? You really see how some boy they take sides. You really see how boy man picking go to support me that they bring down other women then. Man picking, you go to support at least woman that the day for them they support because they get their beef them when they want fight them among themselves. But not be man picking. Not be you man picking. You go come they support me, they bring down other women. You be happy, you be glad. You be glad when they bring down other women then. You be happy, you be glad. If women they fight, they crush one another, they do them because they get their beef them, when they get their anger, then are women they knock each other. But you as a man, now you claim to but you need bring peace. You as a man, why you not fit gather? Why you not fit bring the peace? So they say, hey, people they want to do phone call. Now phone call, you can't do phone call for my head. You don't feel no for against your own life. Well, you can't do phone call now for my head. Hey, YouTube will be the most useless platform where they exist for the ground. YouTube, Facebook better. You be the most useless. The YouTube is the most useless platform. They do more than 10 penny. They give people that don't crazy people for social media. So tell you the boy to up your mom. You say me I don't do YouTube. I never ever do YouTube. I just start YouTube now 3 months now. Where I start YouTube, they can't talk rubbish. Jaga goat. What's that for the do live? I do my one time do my normal video then upload that. Now my PG news for August. Now August so I start that thing. Before I start can do live video this because of this dirty bed I can't start enter to do vaccine. I'm not picking good. So if you even go to do that kind of video the way Parara they do para mock news. If you even go to do that kind of video, if you even go to do mock news kind of thing, that kind of comedy kind of thing, they say you as a man. You can't enter for social media in between women that in there. Then on top of that, you start to talk. So they talk about Toto. Hey, you want to see the land and say the thing your head. See a mop. Smelling boy. I bet when I gather that gather everything and I send a move vaccine this foolish boy waiting for social media. I don't know it. You don't know the direction. We go join you with the Lopige and the pygmy on when I go join we so kaba. Then buy when I week where I'm for now help me on because work for all the crazy people. As you want to do their live video, so where kaba you turn Bobrisky. For inside one man country, Bobrisky said you use your own fine money. You want to use your own go show them for YouTube because they talk take woman then they put her up and that. No, you carry a fine man picking the Georgia. But picking any get problem. A lot of men they out there, Cameroonian boys, they man them, celebrity them, where they get their misunderstanding. Take that one they put up your platform the Georgia and leave women them alone. Put them for your platform the Georgia. The thing that over vex me today, I know be no say the boy if you go to the extent. I know be anyone knows the boy if you go to the extent, so you go they take Palava say they show woman the naked picture for as I go for your platform, continue the naked picture. I know be ever know. They don't want to talk about they put people that naked picture, you carry them a picture, put her for day. You some fool. You think me, Peter Benjamin? Me! You think my picture, put them. Then they talk about naked pictures for women. Ah, the boy God go punish you for say day. God go punish you. You want to bring me down. You want to bring women then down. You want the worker to talk about women that last. You there for social media. Useless goat. No worry. I there with you. I dey go drop you. I dey drop you video for YouTube. Drop you video for YouTube now. Then the message I dey drop on for you for YouTube. Me will carry that message for your head. Next time, stop this thing. Delete that stupid video where you do. A man doesn't do that. Even those kind of money you find now, go here, just tell your video, come back for social media. Not gonna think this. So not gonna think. So they talking about one of my people there. Now, you want to talk about my picture with a woman get empty last, you carry my picture, put up for them. Really crazy. As you don't open their fat eye, their useless eye, they so look woman in empty last. You don't go ever see better for your life. May that last be a curse. We go follow to your fourth generation. Useless goat. As you be happy for coming the exposed woman in empty last for you, then you take and now go for your own platform to talk about them. May you not ever find peace. You don't ever find peace. Women, they go torment you all their life. You will get the worst bitterness and the worst pain from a woman. That's what I will tell you today. You will get the worst pain and the worst bitterness from a woman. Really shame. You carry a woman, thing where they don't put up a woman for naked, and then when I come on and they glad, when they clap. So you say, I want to turn so, the thing baby to go through investigation. You want to turn so, now so you don't move empty last picture, put up as a bam. Now say the I just say red toto for day. God punish your mommy will born you. You disrespect your own mommy will bring you for the well. Because if man picking they go to talk about woman in nakedness, that's why they disrespect your own mommy. You need shame. You need shame. The only two if you do for the well now a woman. Now what me I don't go ever respect any man will need respect a woman. If you now when any man pick they didn't slap woman, you be problem with me. For my platform, I don't go coach woman. The way concern man because I go wash like they wash trust this particular boy. I want and the best person that I can coach him for my place. I the coach people. I go coach naive first person for my next vaccine. I want me to bring oil file. My describe that stupid dead leg. That stupid dead leg when you don't get control. You wo suit see man picking. See him up. Now say you George don't fall for dance to It don't it's on par. Even Mr. Ebu then said they handsome. See man picking. You can't shut down for social media, they coach people. You coach people. So fight for bring woman and down, fight for bring woman and down, fight for bring woman and down. Now wait see. The only time don't one time they can't send me say a video where you struggle for bring mommy at Talakuda, you talk about the picking science. If fan they don't tell you so they complain. You the cautious, so don't take mommy at Talaku to compare, take dailies, bring and compare mommy at Talaku. What is all that? Each of them get their good side and their bad side. Daily singer get a good side, I get a bad side. She's not 100% perfect. Mami Atalaku get a good side, get a bad side. Kobos get a good side, get a bad side. All them they do for different platforms and they get different things they are doing. They get different entertainment world. They do for different entertainment world. Each of them be good for their own way. Now why they get different fans? If they let it do a match when I match waiting and match makeup and I match waiting they do for a website and things and like that. Mama Atalaku they do it when they do it for a live show and things like that. How do they call it? Couples do it for they do it for different platform, different style and different way. You don't go carry a stupid big self, big face, thick face, what face, jaka man. You know, go take your face, come for social media. You but that kind of face is supposed to be they supposed to be the height. No go find money like man picking. Come on for outside, go find money. Find money like man picking. You know what can go find money? You feel what you poor, who will marry you? As you go so they feel poor. Jaga man. You can't show them for social media, they talk about woman, they last them. And the only thing we don't ache midnight, even the person way put the woman their last day for me, I don't say that one the crazy, that one a banger smoker. That one a mad person waiting for asylum come we no direction. That short lily put that one way in a half cast. When a dwarf, because it be dwarf. We don't take that he own mass and for prison. In talk about that one I mass and I boyfriend, that small boy passed for 10 years. We don't jack and take money, they don't want to show you. In talk that one. I don't even vex that one because it's crazy. Now you man picking, you come for social media, can't talk about woman their last. And then women that they clap, people that they watch and for under, people that they talk. Women are there. You people cannot tell him to stop. Any woman who is supposed to go for that boy platform, supposed to tell it off. As a woman, you supposed to go for that platform, tell that foolish, thick-faced man We pick face, we no get direction, tell it off. I don't get plenty for talk. I be so annoyed. I go do vaccine for Wednesday. I never get to do vaccine Wednesday. Wednesday with the vaccine. For Wednesday, we'll vaccine for Wednesday, we'll vaccine for Sunday. I saw the weekend, I don't even do 3 vaccine. Because they say when I don't decrease. They say when some people then do it. They stupid American woman, the one would they beg people to not go give file. Was some people that stop for the give file for the bed because I will not the give file. No, they promote hatred inside our community. No, they promote me they coach people for inside our community. When I stick up when I self, Rosemary for the fact, I have to record the other one. Rosemary for the fact, Sister Elizabeth Gassa, Mami Gassa, a big sister. Sister Elizabeth Gassa, Josephine Yanka, Evelyn Tabo. When I come out, carry when I serve them. When I still go to give fight for the Tibet. When I see the woman that don't call her, me they ready go gather that fight to come vaccine them. Nonsense. As when I think when I want carry when I story of America, me leave America border, the rich guy for Europe, we go help una. As when I want me all woman that will nyaje begin before I no, we go help una or expose the nyaje, me the nyaje before I me all my nyaje to for outside. Now the life that when I want to deliver for social media no, then we go deliver. Now you know, this goes maybe for the fact. Elizabeth, Sister Elizabeth, no say when her sister, a big sister, big woman, Elizabeth Ngasa, Josephine Yanka, and which other one, Evelyn Tap. When I don't see that Floyd, some tell that stupid boy name. He name now with the big when a big boutiques on a big botox on a big waiting right for do. And some stupid boy I beg. Now name that. So this particular woman them. What they did for America, which include sister Gladys Zewi. Now when the sister Gladys Zewi, oh now I don't decide say we no go get peace for our community. When I don't decide say women they are nyas they get for the common for outside, we will help una too. As when I want bring for the nyas outside, we will help una bring all we women. Them all they disgrace yourself for social media. Big woman them. See they dog, see they Lilliput. So they midget, small midget. When I carry on self to na responsible self in America. When I carry on last them, see the midget on they can't tell them. And the system of when I do woman of America they go na respect when I all be rubbish. Some of when I name will match on for floor. Then they say that when America don't make when I decrease. Now they think fine. But something they want cool. When I go come back now from America. Anytime social media they want cool small, where people they want get peace, when we want to say okay, this country don't stop it, all man stop this country, very much stuff for one side. When I would just say American people they want to bam fight to go come America. Come America. Upsan, good school na come out. Upsan na good school. Call your man fake good school. Dormitory school, I don't say oh come off dormitory school, they'll get respect for one another. Good school. Big man no say na big man, small man no say na small man. Good schools. But what's that good upbringing there for dormitory? What's that go end? They can't enter when I come from America, they fight one another. When I come when I say can't enter for America, PB woman then. Na frustration no on which I no. When I can't fight one another. Now on that oh una Sister Gladys Zewe, Evelyn Tabo, Josephine Yankee, Elizabeth Gassa, Ngassa, and that other one was Mary for the fact. Una correct. I just know I don't carry fight them. Go give for the Tibet. So as when I don't give the Tibet fight, when I ready for us. So as I don't that's when we get peace for community no. Me the peace no country. Me the peace no be. Yes. I don't decide when we get peace for community. I don't decide all these big woman them. The big woman I don't decide when we get peace. Then on top of that way woman I don't decide when we get peace. Man picking, baby man picking. You carry yourself. Yeah man, ugly, useless man picking. You go to coach woman their last. You be man picking. I go send all them a small boy picking there for your back. Now they go coach you for that YouTube video. You carry yourself, enter for YouTube, the coach woman their last man picking you. You do for Europe, you know, go find money like any other man enter for work the work. You catch them for YouTube, the coach woman their last. I call yourself say man picking. You take the glad, so you see Toto for us like bang. Hi, my God in heaven. In short, man, live on Wednesday. We learn for the American people, then go back for that useless boy we there for YouTube. We don't decide say one use YouTube for make money and for make money and for coach woman their last. That stupid boy, that stupid man on a boy with it. But I'll call it a boy, I don't call it a man. Man means a person be responsible. Boy, it still be a boy. So I will send all them as small boys and them as small picking them. Where they my mom I be that picking up that mommy. Now the boy will send her for your back. As you know, I respect yourself for social media. Come for social media, the cost woman their last. You be happy. So you talk up. Then on top of that, one put picture, can't put my picture, you crease on motive your eyes on some dirty. You will stand for my phone. When man begin to talk, you this chaka man, if you stand for my phone. Emil, I really some useless boy. Useless boy. Useless boy. The American woman, they may. We'll gather on their fight. At least go now. At least go now. The course of one. At least go now. That one way. Then the mosquito. We say born picking with Mr. Liu. We born midget. That one the mosquito. We don't show down for America. Then now they promote this thing. You will not be frustrated in America. Now they promote this nonsense. When I get on a problem with una friend, when I know we solve with them. When I will take a me travel. Can meet us on get way, you know, get control for him up, you know, get control for him, no get respect for no human being. All that girl when I go when I they call that other fat one, why they like Michelin tire. Why you say they use say smart on a witty. Oh, na the woman. Would I ye best and war face for Sweden? The American woman that will work up on her head. For how many months will work up for the America? This sister Gladys then where it's like no one get control for yourself. I don't respect you for a very long time. I don't respect you for a very long time. Also, no one get control for herself. We will scatter Facebook. All we go do is I go useless all the woman there. When I go join me. I don't respect her. Man would call her sister. When I need still respect herself. Not to be all this. You still respect herself. Not kind of good grace, conscious people. Man be the admire the America. They say the America, the woman of America, they don't the grace. Not desperation for waiting. Not the desperate and waiting. Now you own a fight for man picking, fight for this, fight for that. Now see. Rebecca. Man leave una for the play una this one. Ataya. Penny, I will leave them for una. Man leave them for una. Especially that boy. That boy this I go send them a small boy them. All them small boy they call me mommy. I will gather and then send them for that boy. Then the woman they for America, this American mommy them. All the mommy them for America don't decide say they don't want to make peace before community. That one I go handle them. No more respect. I don't respect some people the way they don't say they respect no, you know, get used. Because if you respect people, they don't respect themselves. Drag them to put inside the pot. Me already match up. How BB woman so they carry themselves go for the TBA platform. BB woman they go find midget, me they talk their life. Go find hey God, man, not even sweep their house there. Such one they bring on herself for inside not dirty. God in heaven. I really low class woman. They say someone wanna come and I most of the graphic woman. They say someone wanna come out of village. They right to land for America. Then they confused. Not to be on this say. This sister Elizabeth Ngasa, a old mommy Ngasa, a big sister. I don't tire me. When I say some kind of name that they send up for me, my skin is shake. I really panic. I did panic because they asked myself, so they kind of big woman there. What did they find out? What did they find about the TBA platforms? What did they go gain a news they know? What did they find out for they? They kind of big mommy them. All the women where they call them on the platform 50-something-year-old woman there. Woman they be educated, they get good jobs. What should they find them? Who be leaders to I God they never don't die. I really visa free. I really visa free. American woman them disgrace. But I know what they come for now. All women so I don't say all women that last day for people outside. When I get problem for a meeting, would I be options them or koyo responsible human beings. When I come up for good schools, when I get job with the inside on a meeting as options, as when I don't decide so when I not go solve an inside on a meeting. When I want to take and make course water reach for Italy, don't reach London. You don't come up for Italy, come for UK, reach Ireland. It go round. So as I don't reach for them now, so most finish scatter the whole fufu. Me all my fight to come over outside. That's all I want time. American woman them. That's all I want time. Me no man no call my phone. I don't call all her name. When I see other woman that I call their name. Rosemary for the fact. Elizabeth, Sister Elizabeth Gasa, Josephine Yanka. All when I see all the woman there, I go vaccine all them. We want bring peace for community. When I don't should for America, so when I must they send those news. When I come up for responsible school there, should not for one when I get problem for when I meeting them. Should not for one place try for solve the problem. Like my top people they come up for dormitory school. I know some who will go for dormitory school because on some different respect from people they go for day schools. Then when I don't decide for so when I want bring when I last for outside, I go hell when I. Artist that Gladys Zewe, I don't forget your name. I go hell all now soon. Sister Gladys, I don't too respect you. Man, you are 5 don't come for me like 20 times, skip them. Enter your 5 come for me, I skip them. Enter your 5 come for me, I skip them. But this time, I go skip. I go come for social media, tell you the truth as a big sister. The other day, I give you some more advice. This time, I will bring you all your file from Genesis to Revolution. Then tell you, give you advice. If you want, hear, you hear. If you want, like, you can't find. If anything you want, do, you do. The truth, I say, Dr. Fenofi Domino nothing. Nonsense. I never tell you the truth. I don't tire all this rubbish. What about this? What about this? When I respect on myself, when I know respect on myself. They don't make an answer, then a man begin, don't take over. When I don't bring the dirty, so you go now for man picking there now. What would go? At the end of the day, would go in. Every time man even feel say, well, this don't start to stop. Oh. At least, come on, and then now don't start to get peace. Facebook going to reduce, caution to go down. They don't start to stop. Dirty Bennett to get no information. And we get people and they get them fine. As we want close to eyes tomorrow, so someone will relax more. Bam! America fight don't come out. The woman they will go vaccine them fine. They will wait the next week for America they will give fine. And other American people the way they go call for the TBA platform will go vaccine owner. What will be all this? We know we'll get peace for community. No matter how the next people no block. Block without insult. When they can't give una last, when open a last for person we not even clean una shit. Person we not even clean una floor. Person we not even be una cleaner. Now the just una case educated women, doctors, and here they cause one they say doctors inside. Hi, man. I beg you, now bye. Stand over, go. I just vex now with that boy for social media. It be so disgraceful, man picking. You know what carry? And then the phone I say, when I go for fair understand, they say better it run for back, it do things and for late, for behind. That nude picture we put up for Arsenal 3 years ago, that picture don't be outside. And most people, they get that picture, they don't delete them. They be send those particular pictures, even for me, I delete them. Most people, they get that picture, they don't delete them. They don't delete those pictures. Then wanna. They take now for the hour, person will carry that kind of picture, give. They eat it and put a social media, women, they clap. When they glad, me they bring some woman a nude picture for outside. When they glad, when they clap, when they enjoy her. I don't know say all the Cameroonian women them. Don't worry, me and the tire. I did ready for the energy way God don't give me. It plenty too much. Oh, they say all even the big woman when I don't decide when I don't get used for do money for America. Don't decide when I want expose when I last for outside. Woman for 50 something years, 40 something years, and I don't decide when I want expose when I come when I privacy there for when I meeting them, come when I problem them. When I find man there up and down, when I take and go carry midget. Small midget will come for social media. They disrespect people. They are married women. They inside house. Talk for them anyhow. Una go hear me. If marriage be been as easy things from una go inside my house, una go hear me. So I don't decide that the life that I want to live on social media, I'm going to continue. Me no man, I get plenty time now for una. Plenty. Me no man, I get plenty time. What will be this? Which nonsense be that? Which rubbish? Man, they should not for them. Only one trouble the other, one trouble the other. Anytime one get peace on social media, American woman, they don't count one thing. Someone get peace on social media, American woman, they don't bring another fight. Anytime one get peace on social media, American woman, they don't bring another fight. They see Benny stay for America. Those voice messages and voice and when I send them for you, so I go help when I explain that for my life show. And all those women that they send that, I go bring their own life story too. When I don't know, say me, I will talk, I mean, I suffer about they talk your life from Cameroon to you wish to enter America with all the master, they don't sleep on, we have your life day to day. I will bring her on for social media. We'll continue, so. Now, you know, we'll continue. So now when I picking them too, because most of them get picking them, the picking them would say when their mommy they last them, the mommy their story then they for social media, and my picking them would glad. They'll be happy. As in his life dog, that's we come on and one live no. Me all man the coach all man for social media. Man picking them too, they don't join the coach all man. I beg all man picking with the support woman, then when I go deal with that stupid man, that stupid boy with the coach woman that last on YouTube. If you be a man with the support woman, that stupid boy in Ireland, that useless fat jaka boy in Ireland. And I never go deal with that boy. And I never go deal with that boy. And I get for go for they go deal with that stupid boy for Ireland. That boy for Ireland waiting for you to wait on decide say work for you to now for the bring down woman. Man picking them when I get for work for an legal warning because woman they fight someone will never finish or fight the one with the fighter we woman then. Man picking one can start drawing inside. Man picking. He want to do entertainment. He go shoot movie. He go be movie director, movie producer, or he say be an actor. Cash down for blog. If one blog, maybe he blog the talk man picking the get the story. If he talk about that, maybe should not the blog the man picking it. Maybe say go cash down for social media. They talk about woman their last day. Which kind of man picking that? I want to know all your girlfriend they don't follow him. We'll start with from all your girlfriend them. Even for the present one now, we'll start with bring order for outside plus if you don't born picking, we cannot not papa go don't born. Now old man, bring blood picking for outside nonsense man. What kind of rubbish be this? You don't get people blog about. You don't get people blog, you support, you glad that they cost other women, you support that, so you declare just them go subscribe, you support them. Hi, God in heaven. I beg ya. I don't tire me Cameroon community. Why they be even born me as a Cameroon yourself? When I be disgraced, Nigeria don't be for entertainment, we're seeing 19 way, they not be, they need to disgrace people then so. They need to disgrace people then first so. What should be all this? What's all this so? Ah, God. I beg you, I'm not leave for now. Now, good night. This, it don't pass me. I don't know why Americans, they will not live and will get peace. Why anytime we want to get peace for social media, Americans will come up with fire. I don't know why all the big women of America, they don't know who said they solve their problems. If we're there for a group and that group get problem, when I don't know who said they solve the problem for the group, when I will carry a kind of for YouTube, Chris woman, they can the caution for social media. Baby woman, they call their name, they anyhow, they talk for them anyhow. They talk for them anyhow. Coach them, woman, they don't even stand for their phone, they coach them anyhow. Now, good night. Now, good